Welcome to a new episode with ideas and insights. Find the strategies, tactics, and tools for your success in your initiative, project, and campaign. You are listening to the IdeaCast with your host, Tom Wittig. If you are traveling a lot, you might wonder sometimes how your digital projects and campaigns are going. That's certainly true for me. I travel a lot, and sometimes I wonder, okay, how are my own initiatives, my own campaigns doing? But more importantly, how are the client websites are doing and the campaigns that we are running, for example, from WITTIGONIA Digital. And that's where the mobile analytics come in. I think it's a great tool, at least for me, it's a great tool to stay informed and also to use the time when I'm traveling to dig a little bit deeper into the website analytics and better understand what's happening. Now, at the same time, I find it surprising when I'm talking to clients or other companies doing seminars, for example. I asked who is taking advantage of mobile analytics, who has implemented that, who has the apps installed on the mobile phones. And I find that not a lot of people are taking advantage of this great opportunity. And that's not only a shame, I think it's a missed opportunity to learn something about your website, about your digital initiatives. So, for example, when I look at this, I want to monitor the traffic and performance and the results on the goal and all the website properties that we manage, all the campaigns. And also, I would like to dig a little bit deeper into some specific questions. So, what I thought would be interesting is if I walk you through some of the tools that I'm using. And today I want to focus simply on the first, which comes to mind, which is Google Analytics, the mobile version, which you can install as an app on your iPhone. So, first of all, how to do that? It's fairly simple. First of all, of course, you have to implement the Google Analytics tag on your website, and of course, update your privacy and data privacy policies, etc. And then you install the app on your mobile phone simply from the App Store or Google Play Store. And you add your account and select the view of the website. Now, in Google Analytics, of course, you need to have the views on the website enabled. Otherwise, nothing is going to show up on your mobile application. And then you go into the mobile menu, and then you find a set of reports, predefined reports, for example, the audience report, behavior report, goal, e-commerce, and you can even define some special reports in the dashboard. And that's what I like most about this. Of course, you can go into the standard reports. That's pretty useful if you want to know how is the traffic evolving or the time on site, the bounce rate, etc. But I find it actually very interesting to define the own dashboard. So I want to give you two examples, what I'm looking at, for example. One is typically what I do for clients where we are doing local SEO. So I'm defining here basically the page views by city or by region so that I can see if the local tactics are getting some traction. In other words, if people are coming from the local city or the region where the client is located. Another report that I put together is about the behavior by incoming channel, for example, by social media, social channels. So, for example, I want to know about the YouTube user. What are the top pages that they are looking at? How long are they staying in the sessions? And that gives me a better sense of who is coming from social properties like the YouTube channel, from LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. And that's fairly easy to set up. You can actually do this without adding anything specific to your Google Analytics account. It pretty much comes out of the box. Of course, you can add your own custom metrics and your own segments, and that makes it even more interesting when you look, for example, at specific user segments that you have defined. Now, I think there's more to say about this, but I just wanted to get us started on this tool. I think it's a very nice tool. There are, of course, other mobile analytics tool sets, which I'm going to cover in different episodes. So let me know what you have implemented and which views you are looking at most of the time. And as always, I wish you good luck, and I hope you take some good insights out of this small little tip. Goodbye. When you are looking for inspiration and help with your digital marketing and growth initiatives, please check out our digital marketing agency, WITTIGONIA Digital. We provide a range of support from strategy to implementation tactics and optimization of digital marketing campaigns. From managed services to workshops and compact learning modules, our work supports you and your team. Discover more at wittigonia.com. Thank you for listening. I hope you find this episode interesting and helpful. Please rate and share this episode with your team, colleagues, and friends. You can find links to more information in the show notes of this episode.